gone home. They must be back in now, surely.
I believe in miracles.
Absolutely.
Wow.
Let's just break for a second to remember there might be penalties yet. Here's Casemiro.
Maguire!
Into Maguire!
I don't know if to start. I do not know where to start. I'm back from work. I had to get up this morning and go to work. Sadly, I didn't want to go to work, but I had to go to work. And so I'm back. And to be honest with you, my blood pressure finally got back down to normal ranges. It really did. Manchester United has instinctively, devotedly, intentionally, mysteriously put me on the edge of a cliff every time I watch them play football. And yesterday was the peak of it. Yesterday was the epitome of it. Yesterday was fuckery but good, bad but great, horrible but wonderful blowout football. The best football match I have seen in my decades on planet. I didn't see 99 victory. I didn't see that. I heard about it, obviously. But I saw this one yesterday. I saw what Manchester United did yesterday. And I tell you the truth. It is disgustingly too good to be true, but too bad to be all good. No, may be honest with you. It's absolutely frustrating to me as a Manchester United fan how we can put us through such horrible performances week in, week out. And then yesterday was the epitome of it, fam. Yesterday was the peak of it. I started the game in the living room upstairs, watching the game, winning 2-0 halftime, feeling good. And then Leon scored 2 in the second half. I said, Pumbaka, go on. Extra time come. And then Cheek Turkey scored third goal. I said, Pumbaka, this not make no sense. I had to leave from the living room upstairs and go down in my basement room where I'm at right now to watch the game. Yeah? I had to do that just because me no want start cuss up the about them something like that in the house. Me get so fucking upset, bro. I go downstairs to watch the game. And then when Lacazette scored the 4th goal, shirt come off, shot come off, me up in my underpants alone and me play in my room. I wonder why the fuck me support this team. Why am I supporting it? Why me I watch football? Why am I not a cricketer? Why am I gonna go back to support track and field? Go listen to Veronica Campbell and people run track and field. Veronica not even in a track and field no more. But that me support. I did some day right yesterday. Right there, some day right now. Me stop watch football yesterday. And then I saw the face of Casemiro. And that man single-handedly said, listen to me, I am going to win this game for you, no matter the fuck what the cost. And brother, my family, 9 minutes into this second half, in the second part of the extra time, I was down on the ground. 12 minutes into the second half, at extra time, I was up and running. Seeing Bruno Fernandes chop it in the corner, sweet. Seeing Casemiro chop and give me in the corner, sweet. Seeing Casemiro chop on over top to Harry Maguire. Listen, man, this game has been my lifeline. This game, watching football, playing football ever I'm life, it has been one of the few joys I've had in life. Kids, my wife, family, all them stuff. But playing and watching football is a takeaway from me. It's like you don't give a crap about nothing else in the world because watch how I play football. Yesterday, absolutely awesome. So Manchester United, thank you for raising my blood pressure. Thank you for giving me hell. Thank you for giving me heaven. Thank you for being the best thing that ever happened to football. Manchester United, don't do it again. Don't do it a blood clot again. Don't do it again, fam. Just win some game calmly, easily. Best yourself, best up others. Manaz.